fam, welcome back to day 5 of Vlogmas. So far we made it, guys. We made it. I know we got a long way to go, but we're going to get there anyway. So with that being said, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you will join the family. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. I'm telling you this in advance, so I don't have to say it again. And hit that bell so every time I upload a video, you'll get alerted. Now, comment down below if you have any other ideas that you would like to see on this channel. Let me know down below, because why? This channel is made for you and I. It had you in mind. So we're going to do this together. So by the look of the title, you already know what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to be having some salmon. So this time I'm going to put it in the air fryer. All right. I don't know why. It just has taste for some fried food. I don't know what's going on. But I'm going to put it in the air fryer, and I'll show you how I'm going to make it and everything else. In that, I think I had a recipe before like that. But anyway, I'm not no chef, so I'm just winging it. However, please don't ask me what I set it on, the degrees or anything like that. If you have an air fryer, just look on yours, see what your directions tell you, how long to cook it or whatever. I just, go by sight. I look at it, I know when it's done. That's how I do it. Believe me, now I don't even check the temperature. I used to put it on 400, I believe it was, and just keep watching it so it won't, get too overcooked or rough, whatever it be. But if you have any suggestions or anything, let me know. Now, with that being said, I'm going to make that for dinner tonight. I think I'm going to make broccoli with that steamed broccoli. Also, I want to try this mix-up. I never tried this before. Let me know if you have tried it. I don't know why I've just been having a sweet tooth too. So this is the strawberry muffin, and it says just add milk to it. It's by Martha White. I never had it before, so I'm going to try that for tonight. And also, guys, let me tell you what I did. We've been going hard on these things, right? So I put away all my fall decorations, but I didn't put it away. It is a mess. So things won't fit in the box where they need to go in. You know how that is. So guess what? I'm going to need you guys to help me out, to help me organize these things the best way I can. Because you guys already know, I can't organize. I ain't going to keep saying I can't, but Lord help me to organize. So y'all pray for me. Pray for your sis, because I need it. I need it big time. So with that being said, I'm not going to hold you no longer. Let's just get right into it. Let me clean out that air fryer, because we use the air fryer all the time. So that's what we're going to start off with, cleaning that air fryer first. So let's go. broccoli florets. And we got the salmon here. We do not like the skin on ours, so we're going to take the skin off.
From the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah. With you, there are no stop signs. seconds, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You're changing me. Day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away. Got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased. Can't be erased. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. The one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah.
While that's cooking, I'm gonna do the rest of the dishes, and then I'm gonna take you guys into the dining room area where I need to finish up some things that I told you that I need to do, put away the decorations. All right, so I might just change my clothes. I'm not sure because I'm hot. All right, be right back. All right, y'all, this is the first part of the salmon bites. Oh my gosh, it is so delicious and juicy. Look at that. Came out so delicious. All right, the salmon is done. And we're gonna top it off with some salad here. Woo-hoo. Watch her pour that drizzle on it.
No, it's not thawed out.
Oh.
I had to microwave it.
Oh my gosh.
Show them this one.
This is the rag. All right, sodium's only that much. All right, y'all, here is my plate. I just drizzled it with some Kinder's dipping creamy roasted garlic. It is so good. So good. Hey guys, it is the next day. I could not finish doing what I needed to do on last night. I was so tired after cooking that salmon bite dinner and, cleaning up the kitchen off camera, mopping the floor and everything else like that off camera. So I didn't feel like doing it then. So today is a fresh new day, and I'm gonna get started with organizing my things here. I saw all the decorations, so I hope that you guys are enjoying these videos so far. Let's continue.
I've been watching you from a distance as I turn out all the lights. All I want from you is to listen and remember the good times. If you think of all that we leave out, is that weird you're feeling blue? I know nothing ever turned out as you wanted to, but every time I feel it, every time I breathe, every time I close my eyes, it's coming right at me all over again. Baby, you got me begging, please. You got me on repeat. You got me on repeat. Your true love has got me on my knees, and always on repeat. You got me on repeat. Without a fight, even if you keep me guessing till the morning light. Yeah, I know I will learn it the hard way, 'cause I just can't leave it be. And I don't really care what they say, it's all about you and me. But every time I feel it, every time I breathe, every time I close my eyes, it's coming right at me all over again. Every time I close my eyes, it's coming right at me all over again. Baby, you got me begging, please. You got me on repeat. You got me on repeat. Oh, your true love has got me on my knees, and always on repeat. You got me on repeat. Bar, another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar. Like I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care. next to me.